Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing the mighty Indominus Rex in a fun retro cartoon style. Fierce, dramatic, and full of prehistoric attitude. Grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's bring this legendary movie monster to life. Let's begin with the eyes, giving them a sharp, angry expression to capture the intimidating personality of the Indominus Rex. And remember, if any step feels tricky or moves too quickly, simply pause the video and continue at your own pace. The Indominus Rex was created specifically for the 2015 film Jurassic World and never existed in real life. In the movie, it was a genetically engineered hybrid dinosaur, created by combining the DNA of several different species. Sketch the snout, long and powerful, tapering gently toward the nose. Add the nostrils, along with the small skeletal openings just above them, helping to give the head a more realistic dinosaur structure. Draw the open mouth, making it wide and dramatic, as if our creature is roaring. Add the sharp teeth and tongue, exaggerating their shapes a little to keep that fun retro cartoon appeal. According to the filmmakers, its design was inspired primarily by Tyrannosaurus Rex, but also incorporated traits from other dinosaurs and modern animals. The Indominus Rex could camouflage itself in the film, a fictional ability inspired by animals like cuttlefish and some reptiles. It was also portrayed as being extremely intelligent, capable of setting traps and communicating strategically. The creature became one of the most memorable villains in the entire Jurassic franchise. Now draw the two bony crests above the eyes, almost like small horns, adding extra character and making the face look even more menacing. Now sketch the long neck, curving it slightly to create movement and energy in the pose.
Let's add the spikes along the back of the neck, placing them in a neat row that follows the curve of the body. Build the rounded body, keeping it soft and cartoony while still looking powerful. Draw the tail, long and sweeping upward to balance the entire composition. Sketch the hind legs, making them thick and muscular, finishing with large, curved claws.
If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And be sure to check out our dinosaur playlist by clicking the card above to see all the other prehistoric creatures we've transformed into cartoons. Now tell me in the comments, which dinosaur would you like to see turned into a retro cartoon next? The scars and bony spikes on its body were designed to make it look older, tougher, and more dangerous. Although fictional, the Indominus Rex sparked renewed interest in real dinosaurs and paleontology among many fans. Add the front arms, smaller than the legs, but still looking threatening and ready to strike. Don't forget the spikes on the forearms, a small detail that adds extra personality to our monster. Jurassic World introduced a new generation of viewers to prehistoric creatures, much like the original Jurassic Park did in 1993. Real dinosaurs were incredibly diverse, and while none were exactly like the Indominus Rex, many of them were every bit as fascinating as movie monsters. Now, draw the soft textures on the front of the neck and belly. We speed up this part of the video a little to keep the tutorial moving smoothly. Continue the row of spikes from the back of the neck, across the body, and along the tail, gradually making them smaller toward the tip. Add a few circular spots across the body to bring extra cartoon texture and charm. For colors, you can use light gray for the body, cream for the softer underside, and warm brown tones for the spikes and details. But remember, feel free to color your Indominus Rex however you like. Let's include a scar on the side of the belly, perhaps a reminder of a dramatic battle with Rexy herself. And here's our Indominus Rex, fierce, dramatic, and full of retro cartoon personality. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.